Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to launch your online store in 2025, you've probably come across two of the most popular platforms out there, Shopify and Squarespace. But which one is actually better for your business? In this video, I will break down the key difference between the two, covering everything from designing, pricing, e-commerce tools, SEO, scalability, and user experience. So if you want the real answer to which is the best e-commerce platform in 2025, stay tuned because I've got all the answers right here. Let's begin with what each platform is fundamentally about. So, Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform built from the ground up with online selling in mind. Whether you're selling physical products, digital items, or drop shipping, Shopify was designed to help you manage and scale your store with ease. It's powerful, flexible, and highly customizable, especially when it comes to inventory and payment systems. Now, Squarespace on the other hand started out as a website builder focused on visual storytelling and aesthetics. Over the years, it has evolved to include e-commerce functionality. And in 2025, it's surprisingly capable for small to medium-sized stores. However, it's still more of an all-in-one solution for creators, service providers, and portfolio websites with some e-commerce capabilities added on. So essentially, Shopify is best for selling and Squarespace is best for presenting. Now, when it comes to visual design, Squarespace clearly stands out. Their award-winning templates are sleek, modern, and mobile optimized, perfect for businesses that rely on branding, aesthetics, or visual storytelling such as photographers, clothing brands, or artists. The drag and drop interface is fluid and intuitive, with near pixel perfect control, and in 2025, Squarespace has further expanded its template library, offering more flexibility and better UX performance. Now coming to Shopify, while not lacking in design, it prioritizes functionality. You will find hundreds of themes, but only a limited number are free. Premium themes cost anywhere from $100 to $350, and while they have optimized for conversions, they may not offer the same artistic flair out of the box. And that said, Shopify's customization potential is huge. And if you're comfortable with some code or if you hire a developer, the sky is the limit. Plus, the additional of Shopify's new Online Store 2.0 editor has made customizing layouts easier without needing as much liquid code. So if you're after eye-catching visuals and a polished front end, Squarespace wins here. But if you're focused on optimizing for sales and scalability, Shopify has more back-end flexibility. Now, talking about e-commerce features, this is where Shopify takes a massive lead. In 2025, it continues to dominate the e-commerce space with its rich ecosystem of tools and integrations. You get access to advanced inventory management, automatic tax calculations, abandoned cart recovery, multi-channel selling like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Amazon, discount codes, and advanced shipping configurations, all baked right into the platform. Now, Shopify's App Store now features over 8,000 apps ranging from email marketing, upselling to accounting, and product sourcing tools like Oberlo and Deezers. This gives Shopify users unmatched flexibility in extending their store's functionality. Squarespace, while improving steadily, still lags behind. It offers solid basics like product variants, coupons, limited inventory tools, and integrations with Stripe and PayPal. However, it lacks built-in support for dropshipping, multi-currency selling, and complex product bundles. And while you can use third-party services, the lack of deep integrations limits scalability. Verdict: if you're running a serious online business or plan to scale, Shopify is the clear winner. If your e-commerce needs a simple and secondary to content or branding, Squarespace might be enough. Now, let's talk about money, because the pricing structure can be a bit tricky. So for more robust selling tools like advanced shipping and commerce analytics, you will need the Commerce Basic, that is $27 per month, or Commerce Advanced, that is $49 per month plan. These prices are relatively predictable, and Squarespace does not charge transaction fee if you're using their higher tier plans. Also, Shopify starts at $39 per month. But that's just the beginning. You also need to consider extra charges for apps, premium themes, and transaction fee, which can add up fast. Shopify charges an additional fee of up to 2% per transaction if you're not using Shopify payments. That said, Shopify often runs promotions and discounts for the first-time users, and their plans include more powerful selling tools out of the box. So in short, Squarespace is more affordable upfront, but Shopify offers more firepower at higher long-term cost. So both of these platforms have improved their user experience dramatically in 2025, but Squarespace is still the most intuitive thanks to its drag and drop builder and visual first approach. Even someone with zero technical skills can build a website and start selling within an hour on Squarespace. Shopify, while not hard to use, is more structured and business-like. The dashboard is optimized for managing products, orders, and payments rather than creative design. The learning curve is slightly steeper, but once you're familiar with it, managing a growing store becomes second nature. Shopify's mobile app also offers more functionality than Squarespace, allowing you to run your business from anywhere. So for beginners, Squarespace may feel more comfortable. For long-term store owners, Shopify structure is more powerful and the best pick. Now, when it comes to growth, Shopify is built to scale. You can start with a single product and scale to thousands without switching platforms. Shopify Plus, the enterprise level version, powers massive stores like Gymshark, Heinz, while proving its ability to handle high volume sales. And Squarespace, while it's good for smaller stores, has limitations that may require you to switch platforms as your business grows. It's not ideal for large inventories, international selling, or complex logistics. Bottom line, Squarespace is great for small to mid-sized operations, while Shopify is built for both beginners and high-growth businesses. Now, final verdict and wrapper. You can choose Squarespace if you want a stunning design, simple setup, and e-commerce isn't your core business. It's great for creators, service providers, or selling a few products. But you can choose Shopify if you're serious about online selling, want scalability, and need advanced tools and integrations to grow. Ultimately, it depends on your goals, budget, and growth plans. So let me know in the comments which one are you going to use in 2025. Thanks for watching, hit that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech and business breakdowns. See you in the next one.